sometimes simply called the Emirates. It is a country in Western Asia at the northeast end of the Arabian Peninsula on the Persian Gulf, bordered Oman to the east, Saudi Arabia to the south and west, as well as sharing maritime borders with Qatar to the west and Iran to the north. The sovereign constitutional monarchy is a federation of 7 emirates consisting of Abu Dhabi, Ajman, Dubai, Fujairah, Ras Al Khaimah, Sharjah, Al Quwain. Religion and language. Islam is official religion of UAE and official language is Arabic. Ruler and first president of the nation is Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan. He is also known as Father of Nation. Independence year is 1971. Date is 21 December. National sport camel racing. Capital Abu Dhabi. Main cities are Dubai, Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah. Area and literacy of UAE. 82,880 square kilometer area of UAE and literacy is 79%. Currency of UAE is dirham. Position in wild reservation in world is 6th. A map of United Arab Emirates. Religion in UAE in percentage. Islam is highest. National sport of UAE is camel racing. Some famous places of UAE are Dubai Marina Beach, Dubai Tennis Stadium, a painting depicting the British Expeditionary Force in 1809, sketching the coastal town and port of Ras Al Khaimah, a traditional shop in Deira, Old Dubai. A view of the desert landscape on the outskirts of Dubai. Ruler and first president of UAE and father of nation. Sharjah city skyline. View of Dubai. A beautiful city. Emirates, one of the world's largest airline based in Dubai. Etihad Airways, second largest airline in UAE based in Abu Dhabi, capital of UAE. Present president of UAE United Arab Emirates is Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan.